I had a scissors in my hand. I struck at him. I ran away. He was lying in the hole. Blood around him.
Your sister, Mary, is a murderess.
I don't believe it.
You go back to school and forget Jocelyn.
Drink. Drink it, Jacqueline. There's nothing else for you to do. The day you've got to die.